bluish color.
And who is in the center?
Dvaipayana Vyas.
Okay.
Ved Vyas. Nakul and Sahadeva this side, Kunti Maharani is this side.
Veda Vyasa Pandava. In the center, you can see Yudhishthir here, Bhim, Arjun is where, Guruji? This side of the turban.
Okay.
And that second is Bhim Sen. Okay. Bluish color is Arjun.
Okay.
And this side Nakul Sahadeva with Kunti.
Okay, bro.
Very much. So the Pandavas are always there. Manas Pavan next to that as trees. Because Pandavas cannot participate in Madhurya Ras, they cannot become gopis. Pandavas, so they become in Shantaras. In Shantaras. All of them are Shantaras. Arjuniya Gopi. No, that was Ramananda Rai. Ramananda Rai was a combination of Arjuna, Arjuniya Gopi, Arjuna Sakha, some say Lalita or Vishakha, not the original Arjun. Ramananda Rai was a combination of 5.
So Panchapandava is Shantaras, Gurudev. Shantaras. And in Gaur,
In Braj they get Shantaras. In Dwarka they are the Dasya or Sakhya with Krishna. But in up to Dwarka there is only 2.5 rasas, no? Shanta, Dasya and half Sakhya.
Isn't there a pastime where Arjun gets a gopi form, he takes a bath in that, maybe Narad Kund or something, and he gets Arjuniya Gopi?
I have not heard of that, maybe. But Arjuniya Gopi is, the name is there. So maybe.
and they're not in Gaur Leela. They are
Sometimes
there.
Krishna may promote them also.
How about Pandavas in Gaur Leela? They are as.
They became the 5 sons of Bhavananda Rai. Bhavananda Rai. Shivananda Sen. No?
No, Bhavananda Rai.
Bhavananda Rai.
Bhavananda Rai, Ramananda Rai, Gopinath Patnaik.
Gopinath Patnaik.
Oh, those are 5. Okay.
Ramananda Rai was Arjun. Yeah, but 5 personalities came in the same body. There's Arjun Gop. No, there is a Arjun Gop Sakha also. In Radha Kund there are 8 kunjas. So there is a Sakha of Krishna known as Arjun, but he is not the same Arjun as the Dwarka Arjun. The Pancha Pandav, he is different. There is a Arjuniya Gopi also.
So all the 5 Pandavas, when they come into a body, so they reside as 5 souls.
It's a little difficult to understand, but it's mainly you can say the Shakti Avesh kind of Avesh. Their feelings, their mood, his sentiments are taken in one form.
Is it similar to the example of Nanda and Yashoda?
They were Drona and Dhara. No, that was the case that Yashoda and Nanda, they come from Goloka. Originally they are Krishna's parents in Goloka. But the demigods Drona and Dhara from the Swarga, they merge with Nanda and Yashoda's body.
To experience the pastime. So can't we match the same thing? That Ramananda Rai is an eternal associate of the Lord, and these souls are coming and residing with him to experience the pastimes.
No, but he is a combination of all Nitya Siddhas.
Not sadhana siddhas.
No Sadhana Siddhas.
All the ones who manifested were Nitya Siddhas.
Arjuna, Arjuniya Gopi, they are not. Drona and Dhara were like Sadhana Siddhas. Radha Krishna. Ki naam? Radha Krishna. It's just Radha. For seva you can release, give him the Pandav Tala. He's opening, managing, morning, evening, taking care of the Pandavas' utensils were found here, the Brahmanas, and they're digging.
इथं पूछना है